I'm Ben Mowen, General Manager at the Oracle in Columbus, Ohio. Just east of downtown in Old Town East, 1159 Oak Street, not far off of Broad. It's a great place to come, even if you haven't been here. You can come in and find that it's a place that you won't know why you haven't already been here. It's comfortable, you feel good coming in and sitting down, and our drinks are excellent. Everything is made fresh. We don't do anything but fresh cocktails, and we try to make them the best that we can. We have a garden where we grow all of our garnishes, and everything that we infuse and use in the bar is grown fresh. Our juices are fresh. It makes everything that much better, and it makes everything taste better. And we care about what we do, and we want people to come here and feel like they're cared about. Everybody deserves to be cared about. It's kind of the motto. And it's noticeable when you come in, everybody cares about each other, even if it's your first time here. You'll feel like this is where you're supposed to be, and we're happy that you're here, because we are. The one thing that people always say when they come in is that they like it, they like the comfort. It's a great spot. It feels good when you come in here. It feels like you've been here before, even if it's your first time. People come here and they understand that it's okay to sit down and be comfortable and be yourself. There's no expectations except for be respectful and love each other. That's the main expectation, whether you're here or not. So people love this place because they come in, they feel comfortable, they know that they're allowed to be here and they're allowed to be themselves. Today, I'm gonna make a mule. Our mules are delicious. We make our own ginger puree and fresh squeezed lime juice, turbinado syrup. They're delicious, although you can have it with any spirit that you would like. Our mules are head and shoulders above because everything's fresh and it's not too sweet, it's refreshing, and it makes you feel healthy. So we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna start with a little bit of ice. And then we're gonna use vodka for this. We're gonna do Moscow Mule. So do a couple ounces of vodka, ounce of ginger, ounce of turbo, and an ounce of fresh lime juice. Get our copper mug ready. Let it chill a little bit. Top this off. Give it a shake. Strain it into the mug. And we top it with a little bit of soda. Gives it a little carbonation, livens it up, and also cuts the ginger a bit. Gives you a stir stick in there. A little bit of garnish. And it's ready to go. Cheers.